Hi everyone, this is Imagen TV and this is episode number 28 or 6 of season 2. Today we're going to do a creative selfie and that will be on multiplicity, means more of me on the picture. To do so, I'm using the 5D Mark III with the 24-105. I took the filter, I had a filter on it. I took it out to make sure that I have more light. And I use my app. I'm at probably 2 meters. I put my camera at f4. That doesn't give me a lot of space. But, because I look in that and that gives me like 2 meters and that doesn't give me a lot. That means I will do a test shot to start with. But normally I will put that at f10, but because I'm in my office, I didn't want to put the ISO at 2000, okay? And that was the only way to do it at ISO 640. We'll see what the result is, and if we have to redo it, we'll redo it. But I put my camera here. I'm using the self timer at 2 seconds. That way I have the time to click and wait for the camera to shut. You can use the self timer on your camera at 10 seconds. That will give you more time if you, and I used to do that a lot too. You just press the shutter and you go sit. That's pretty good. First things I will do is take my test shot. After that I'll put the camera at the manual focus. That way it will be the same all the way. And that's the only way to do that. Okay, let's start. We'll put the camera on the tripod and we'll start doing the posing, and next week we'll do the stacking in Photoshop. Okay, let's start. Okay, everything is set. I took a picture of myself to make sure that I was in focus. I put the focus to manual focus, and I took a picture of the sofa by itself. Because the next class, I will show you what to do with it in Photoshop. Okay, now everything is set. I know that I have all that space to move. First position will be here, looking at my phone. It was 2 seconds, but I had the time to put myself and just wait. Okay, you have that position. Now you're taking that part. Doesn't mean you have to limit to one position in that part. And the last one on that side, because I don't have a lot of space. And be careful, because your foot, if you go too far on that side, you might be going on top of yourself. That's okay, but that's more work in Photoshop. Okay, last one. Okay, that will be... Okay, this one is done. Now you move to another position. And it can be a position that takes less space. Okay, another one. Okay, and now you're putting yourself here. Be happy. Okay. And the reason I'm taking a lot of pictures is because you don't know which one you will choose. And I should shut up when I take the picture. Okay, I took enough picture that I can use it to do it. Hope to see you next week. We'll do the stacking in Photoshop. I'll show you how to use the layers to put all your picture one after one. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any question, just put that in the comment down below. And we'll see you hopefully next week. Till then, keep shooting and have fun. Ciao! Enjoy your day and ciao ciao.
¡Eso, Dian!